Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to make a video call on WhatsApp in a group chat on your Android device. Group video calls are a great way to connect with friends and family, no matter where they are in the world. With just a few taps, you can initiate a video call and start chatting with your group. So let's get started. The first step is to open WhatsApp on your Android device. Once you're in the app, navigate to the group chat that you want to make a video call with. If you haven't created a group yet, you can do that by tapping on the New Group button in the Chats tab. Once you're in the group chat, tap on the video camera icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will initiate the video call on your group chat. Please note that all participants in the group will be notified of the call. After tapping on the video camera icon, you'll need to wait for the other participants to answer the call and join the video chat. Once they've joined, you can start chatting with your group. WhatsApp offers a variety of video chat features that you can use during your group call. For example, you can switch between the front and back cameras, mute or unmute your microphone, and toggle your video on or off. You can also add more participants to the call by tapping on the Add Participant button. And there you have it. With just a few taps, you can initiate a group video call on WhatsApp and start chatting with your friends and family. It's a great way to stay connected and catch up with everyone, no matter where they are in the world. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.